Okay. You like that? You like Chevy or Ford?
What's up?
Chevy or Ford?
Chevy.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, I got that dually.
Oh, that's you? Okay. Turbo on it, y'all. Got the turbo on it. My bad.
You ain't seen no big block and no small block?
Yeah, I seen some small blocks and a big block. Nah, bullshit ass. All the bullshit ass 706s. Gotta put money so look out can see. Cole Waltz, what's up? He's back. Man, come on, man. He know he ain't gotta have the music up that loud, bro. He getting too carried away. Damn, boy, I promise. Yeah, he getting carried away, y'all. Let's see. Man. Okay. They don't know what music they want to play. He ain't gonna give us no. Look out. Look out, y'all on my YouTube channel. Yeah. Oh, you was? What about them? Let me get them one then. Can you get them one? You ain't gonna step in nothing. You ain't gonna step in nothing. I know she got her baby. She lazy and she don't wanna get her shoe wet. She don't wanna get. All right, thank you, miss. She went and got them, y'all. Okay, appreciate it. Already, they looking out for the one time. Oh, snap, $49.99 from Scott. Hey, Scott. Scott done got his income tax, y'all. Appreciate it, man. Scott got his income tax. Got the. Hey, you gotta back up a little bit more. Poquito más. A little bit. You probably want to go, because if you don't go a little bit more, you're going to red. Right there, right there. All right. Now, you got it on track mode? Okay. Yeah. Now ease up. Come on with it. Ease up. Slowly now. All right. Come on. All right, right there. Oh! My boy say I need to get PayPal. YouTube take 40%. I already got PayPal, man. Anybody want to donate, man? My PayPal is 214-514-9545. It's the same number for Cash App, Apple Pay, all that. I accept our Venmo. That's 214. 214-514-9545. Yeah. And the Cash App is Lookout Racing, all together with the money sign in front of it. They talking about YouTube taking 40%. So you send me $100, I only get 60? God dang. Hey, Cole Boss, that ain't how you spell racing. Cole Boss gonna have somebody else with the money. Take that E out of there. Golly, man. Man, he know know he ain't gotta have that music up that loud though, bro. Boy, I tell you, man. Why, like, a lot of horsepower.
He does, but this is what.
Oh, he liked the way that feel. He ain't never had that much traction on the street, so that's why he keeps dry hopping like that. But you don't think, man, he got 707 horsepower.
That's a 700 one?
Yeah, this
oh,
is 700. Look, he got the little cat on there.
Yeah, but I thought that
you don't
was
hear
like
that?
the
You don't hear that?
450 base
No,
model.
you don't hear that little charge under there?
No.
Yeah,
okay,
man. I think this side, man, he
Yeah,
got a
I
lot
think-
of horsepower.
If you gave me that number before, I would have bet with him.
Okay. Let's see.
Because I'm just thinking he's like a normal.
480.
I've seen him beat Hellcats though.
Oh, you done seen it? That's a, well, then he might.
That's what I mean. I feel like he might be.
Oh, he done read. Wait, man. He done too anxious right here, man.
He drove all the way from
Yeah,
Montana.
man. He done drove all the way from Montana watching my YouTube channel and wanted to make a pass up here. Let's see. Here it goes, y'all. Left lane for the win.
He always said just downpipe and a tune, but he always beats.
Downpipe and a tune.
Downpipe.
He might got something. He might know something. Downpipe and a tune, y'all. Got a downpipe and a tune, dude. Yeah, man. The guy over there has a downpipe and a tune. That's what makes it so fast. Stage 3. Yeah, I got a small baby cam. No lifters installed. Okay. Okay. Not really. I find them every now and then, but they ain't been finding lately.